I mean,
That's an iPhone thing.
My dad took fucking like 200 some photos at that car thing and airdropped that shit to me, and like all 200 photos in like fucking 10
Seconds. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
that little tree gap is cool, dude. Nope. Dude, that was luck.
You need to do the slip through that.
What?
That tree they just went through.
Through the tree?
Yeah, that right there. Do a slip, yeah. Oh.
Had to do it off kilter there. It's funny how I have a tendency to want to duck.
Sure you don't want me to video you for a little bit?
Huh?
Sure you don't want me to video you for a little bit?
No, please don't.
Come on, man. I'm sure people are wondering what you look like when you're flying.
Weak.
The gap's a lot bigger up in person.
It is, dude. Trying to get it too tight.
Go up that fallen tree, follow that right up to that wall. Yeah.
The fallen tree?
On your right there.
Like
Yep.
Up to the wall?
Yep.
Like,
so you shoot over here?
Yeah, so you come up it and like drop right down into it.
Couldn't even have it in view there. Whoa! Halo.
Tree.
See if I can get that fucker. I don't know why that's intimidating, because you come down quick on it.
Gotta come up it with a lot more speed. Oh, nice.
That one's cool. You can get lined up on it. This always looks bigger when James does it. There's those branches. Does he do it this way?
Yeah, that's the better way.
Ooh.
Hello, prop.
Oh.
So I can milk it. Oh no. That's a gone prop. I smacked the top of that one, man.
Right on.
Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah.